Hi, my name is Ed Peter. I'm the National Product Manager for the Steady Rest and Work Holding Division at LNS. This is the RX Ultra Compact Steady Rest. The RX Ultra Compact Steady Rest is a premium style that we use to get the maximum clamping capacity in a given machine envelope. The biggest advantage this Steady Rest has over the K Compact series is the use of an integral cylinder. This Steady Rest is an automatic 3-roller self-centering steady rest that is available in 5 different sizes that range from 10.6 inches up to an amazing 27-inch capacity. This steady rest is manufactured by SMW Autoblock in Germany. It is very rigid and durable with high precision and accuracy. Because it is a premium style steady rest, one of the advantages it has over other rests is the ability for the coolant wash option at the chip guards. Back by the cylinder, there is a K port that allows the introduction of up to 300 psi coolant to be channeled through the body and the arms and out to the coolant or chip guards. This coolant flush can be very beneficial at washing away damaging chips that could otherwise get caught between the roller and the workpiece. This steady rest is coated for corrosion protection, and the arms are fully hardened for strength and durability. This steady rest is operated by a single integral cylinder. This cylinder includes a pressure booster that helps it to generate maximum clamping capacity. Inside the cylinder is also a non-return safety valve. This safety valve allows the steady rest to maintain clamping pressure on the workpiece even in the event of hydraulic failure. This steady rest is also equipped with the C port that allows for the introduction of lubricating oil. The lubricating oil supply can come from the machine or from an external unit provided by LNS. The lubricating oil enters the C port and is distributed to internal parts of the rest, but most importantly is channeled through the arms to the roller bearings to help ensure maximum bearing life. Although this steady rest is fully sealed from the factory to prevent contamination from harmful coolant and small fines, there is also an S port that allows the addition of compressed air. The compressed air can provide even greater protection against contamination. All of these features make the RX Premium Style Steady Rest perfect for applications where we're trying to maximize the clamping capacity in a given machine. Thanks for your time, and we look forward to any of your specific applications questions.